The Ford F-Series is known across the world as a hardworking truck. That reputation is a big part of why it earned the title of America's best-selling vehicle for 36 consecutive years. Of course, a lifetime of dedicated service should be rewarded, and for a few chosen trucks, a leisurely retirement in the collector car scene awaits. This 1955 Ford F200 Restomod is one of those privileged few. The beneficiary of acute body-on restoration, this cool pickup celebrates the standout attributes of old-school Ford style. The truck's solid, all-steel fuselage mirrors a bright coat of red two-stage, and those excellent reflections trace straight surfaces to suggest many labor-intensive hours were spent exacting excellent finish work. Swivel the doors and you'll reveal a tasteful custom cockpit. Tight leather covers a contoured seat that's complete with lap belts. A tasteful dash hangs classic instruments gauges above modern audio. Custom padded carpet frames a booted Lokar shifter, and in front of the driver, a hot rod steering wheel laps a tilting column. Pop this pickup's rounded hood and you'll reveal a massive 460 cubic inch Ford V8 that is powerful and durable. And a reliable 3-speed automatic channels power to a 9-inch Moser that's packed with a posi-traction differential and smooth 300 gears. With a reliable drivetrain and attractive interior and clean lines all around, this Ford is dead set on hitting the road and turning heads. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.